aerospace engineers and materials scientists at Texas A&M University have unlocked new capabilities in an advanced recyclable composite called Aromatic Thermosetting Copolyester, ATSP, a carbon fiber reinforced plastic that is lighter than aluminum, stronger than steel, and able to heal itself when damaged. The research, published in Macromolecules in the Journal of Composite Materials, highlights ATSP's ability to recover its shape, repair cracks, and even grow stronger through repeated stress healing cycles. By applying heat, around 160 to 180 degrees, the material's internal bonds are activated, allowing it to restore damage and remember its original form, much like human skin healing after injury. Unlike conventional plastics, ATSP belongs to a new class of materials called vitrimers, which combine the flexibility of thermoplastics with the stability of thermosets. This means ATSP is not only highly durable but also recyclable, making it an attractive option for industries seeking sustainable solutions. Potential applications include aerospace defense, materials that can withstand extreme stress and repair themselves mid-operation; automotive, car components that regain shape after collisions, improving safety; sustainability, recyclable plastics that reduce environmental waste without losing performance. The findings position ATSP as a transformative material for next-generation aerospace, defense, and automotive technologies, where resilience and reliability are non-negotiable.